Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me Tanabul Ganim, which is my full name again. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an UI delivery apps in Figma. So let's get started. So for the first one, I was make a home page about my UI food delivery. So in here I make an Asian authentic food, which is my UI dummy. So here I'm about make a home page first. No, not a home page. This is already about maybe like next page about home. So this is I just make an ordery page. So for the first one I try to add a title about my food, about of this food picture, which is chicken salt egg from Singapore. I don't know, I don't even try yet this Singapore traditional food, but I think it's maybe delicious. It would be delicious, guys. So this is I try to make here about a large. I try to fold it down, and then I already make enough bar in it's rice, beverage, dessert. So I just want to tell you I'll make it a money first. Yeah, in here about I put maybe account for account of my product, and I'm trying to using auto layout, which is Shift A, to make it more and not mess, guys. And soup, by the way, enough bar. I put a rice, beverage, dessert, and soup. So for the next I try to add I'm still like conditional how ideally to make this. So for the background of my chicken salt egg is a gray. I still to find out what the color, if perfect, what I mean like what the color and match with the phone, which is I use a maroon, maybe like Chinese red. I think Chinese is use a maroon red more, but more light, guys. So I choose a maroon color because of my UI foods delivery. A title is Asian authentic food, which is chicken salt egg. It means it's from China. So here I'm about conditionally my title of the image, my title about my chicken salt egg, and then I start with the padding. And then I try to add conditional, try to conditionally my auto layout. So here about I'm at a cost it's $15. I mean like dollars, Singapore dollars. It's not an American dollar, guys. Okay, maybe I would skip this into the second page is a payment page. For the first time I make a rectangle put on my chicken salted image, which is with the description about a cost, size, and then the name of the food that I sell. So in behind on background, I make a rectangle, and then I put around maybe like 10. So this I try to make a card about I make a two card here about the card one is about my product or my food, which is chicken salted egg, with cost, with size, and with how much you would buy. And for the second card, I make it like a promo voucher, or it's an additional info or add-on, but it out from the food. Here about, and the second card I make it too. And then for the fourth card, I make it bigger because I want to add all of information like a subtotal, delivery fee, packaging fee, and then promo, like maybe like discount. And then the total, and then for the tax, because the restaurant is already have a tax, and then I don't really counting this tax promo. I just maybe calculate by myself about the tax promo, and then it would make because the tax is 10%, I make it $1.5 Singapore dollars, and total is, when I try to minus it would like about $13.5. $5. So I add a padding on the total, which is the total is more valuable than subtotal delivery fee package. I mean, like the total is all about the subtotal, from the subtotal until the tax. So it's a total, guys. So in here I'm about add a sheet, wait, a bottom sheet, which is for a button. Yeah, I add for wait, sorry, I got efforts here. So I add a bottom sheet here, and telling about a button for the pay, and then I add a total, which is 13.5 Singapore dollar, which is I put in a cost here in the bottom sheet. Yeah, for the order now and then I just realized that in my bottom sheet I already put a CDA button, which is order now, and then I put a cost, which is a 13.5 Singapore dollar, and then it's all about I make maybe 3 page about a UI delivery, a delivery food UI. So that's all. Thank you for the watching, guys, and give me maybe like you can like my video or comment that will make me keep spirit to make a content and improve my English speaking. So thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.